evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, we'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. Some students are still joining, and then we'll continue. So the homework was first 20 sums. उसमें किसी को कुछ doubt है?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Doubt, just raise your hand. Okay, using the Zoom option, I'll clear your doubts, and then we'll continue. Yes, Nehaja Bapat, क्या doubt है आपको?
Fifth question.
Okay. तो पहले तो आपको subtract करना है दोनों को. Just give me a minute.
Sir, in this question, actually, my answer was option 3, but there it is given option 1. Sir, I got option 1 only for this answer.
Student, just give me a minute, okay? And please be on mute, okay? Students, please be on mute. So this will become 5 by 4. And when we solve this, this will become 35 minus 18 upon 45. So this will be a proper fraction, okay? This is improper fraction. Yes or no, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Which one is greater? Proper is greater. So answer is this one.
Yes, sir, but in that we want equivalent 9 and 5 in second one.
बिकॉज इट इज अंडर वन ना, वो एक ही इसके नीचे है, तो इसको 9 minus 5 ही करेगा ना डायरेक्टली.
Okay, sir. And sir, 15 also.
हाँ, 1 minute, I'll help you out. Okay, 15th one. So it is 48 divided by 12 multiplied by 9 by 8 of 4 by 3 divided by 3 by 4 of 2 by 3. तो सबसे पहले हम ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करेंगे और ये बाहर जो है इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ मल्टीप्लीकेशन साइन है. सो फर्स्ट वी डिवाइड 48 डिवाइडेड बाय 12 इज 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय. ऑफ का मतलब होता है मल्टीप्लीकेशन. सो 9 बाय 8 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4 बाय 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 बाय 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 बाय 3. ठीक है, ये हम ब्रैकेट में लिख देंगे दोनों. इज इट क्लियर? After this, when we solve this, so you
Sir,
have 4 into 1, 4 into 2, 3 into 1, 3 into 2. Sorry, 3 into 3. So here we have 4 multiplied by, first वाले bracket में क्या आया, 3 by 2 divided by. When we solve this, what we'll get, 2 and 2. So here we get half. Now when it is division, so we change the divisor change होगा, dividend change होगा. इसमें से कौन सा fraction change होगा? 1/2, correct? So we'll write
Yes.
multiplied by 3/2 multiplied by 2/1. So 2 and 2 cancel, so 4 and 3 is left. So you get the answer as 12. Understood, Sneja?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, बाकी और किसको डाउट है? Which question?
Sir, Krithvi here. I did not understand. I was unable to solve the second.
Okay. Find the fraction greater than half and so the fraction should come over here. Okay, but smaller than 3/4. Greater than half कौन से fractions है? First one is greater than half. Only Krithvi will answer, okay? Is this greater than half? You were there last class, Krithvi?
Yes, sir, I was there.
So didn't
The
you guys?
trick you had showed, you had told us about the more than
तो
half.
greater than half है या नहीं ये बताओ मुझे सिर्फ.
Sir, है.
Okay, very good. Is the second option greater than half?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
1 minute.
I think you haven't solved the sum only. That's why you are not able to understand. आपने try नहीं किया है. And you don't remember this method also. Half का मतलब क्या होता है? Kriti, what does half mean?
Greater than 0.5.
हाँ.
So, sir, the trick is like you take the denominator 17 and you multiply it by 1/2. And then
हाँ,
you
तो
have to see
17 का half कितना होता है? 17 को 2 से डिवाइड करो ना, 8.5. तो is the numerator 8.5 or greater than 8.5? No, it is smaller than 8.5. So this is not greater than half.
Acha, okay, understood.
Third option is 9/17, which is greater than half. ये आपको रिवाइज करना चाहिए, okay? And then it is 6/17. So this is not greater than half. So these two options are cancelled out. Now we are left with these two options, 14/17 and 9/17. Okay. अभी 3/4 से हमें कंपेयर करना है 14/17 को. 17 into 3 कितना होता है? 51. 4 into 14, 56. So which is greater? 56 is greater. That means this fraction is greater. तो ये 3/4 से भी greater है. We need smaller than 3/4. So this option is also cancelled out. So only one is left over here is 9/17. So if we check 9/17 and 3/4. 17 into 3, 51. 4 into 9, 36. So 51 is greater. So 3/4 is greater. So your answer is 9/17.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Please revise the concepts, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Krithvi, your doubt is cleared. Gargi, क्या doubt है आपको?
The 20th question.
Five by 7 is equal to box by 98 is equal to 50 upon box. 7 into 14 हो रहा है यहाँ पर. 5 into 14. 5 into 14 कितना होता है गर्गी? आपका फर्स्ट नेम क्या है?
Sir?
This is your doubt, right? So will you please answer? I asked you 7 into 14 is 98. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So what is 5 into 14?
70. Okay.
हाँ, so please answer that. Okay, so box is 70. ये हमने यहाँ पर आ गया, अभी यहाँ पर चेक करना है. So we have 70 upon 98 is equal to 50 upon 70. Is it true? We need to check this. So divide this by 7. 7
Yes, sir.
into
7
10
into 10.
and 7 into 14. Again you divide, you will get 5 by 7. 5 से 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो, और इसको अगर हम 0 और 0 कैंसिल कर दे तो 5 by 7 आ गया, मतलब दोनों इक्वल है. तो आंसर क्या है?
Yes,
Box
sir.
is equal to 70.
Okay, sir. I
Understood?
did the multiplication.
Arush, what is your doubt?
Yes, sir.
Sir, in the 15th question, you have written the answer 12, but I got it. I got the answer 5 1 by 3, and behind when I checked, it was 5 1 by 3.
No, it cannot be 5 1 by 3 because अभी कैसा है, अभी I think they have then there is a printing mistake over here, because if they consider this one, okay, यहाँ पर अभी क्या हो रहा है, we have taken this multiplication sign what they have given in the question. If we remove this multiplication sign, then what we get? 48 divided by 12 multiplied by what comes out of this bracket? 3, correct? Bracket में से आंसर 3 आएगा. So then we get 48 divided by 36. Okay, so when we reduce this, we'll get 8 by 6. But still 5 1 by 3 नहीं आएगा.
Sir, first I divided 4 by 3 and 3 by 4. Then I multiplied 9 by 8 and 2 by 3 with it.
नहीं, but
And I
according to the
Yes,
rule.
sir. I also did.
But see, according to BODMAS rules, okay, first we have to consider the off function, right?
Yes, sir.
So we cannot divide first. तो अगर इन्होंने आंसर 5 1 by 3 दिया है और अगर आपने भी वो निकाला है तो ये थोड़ा गलत है, क्योंकि 9 by 8 of 4 by 3 divided by 3 by 4 of 2 by 3. अभी क्या हो जाएगा, अगर आपने पहले ये सॉल्व किया, ठीक है, तो आपको आएगा 9 by 8 of 16 by 9 of 2 by 3, करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
बट ये फिर गलत हो जाएगा ना, 2 बार ऑफ आ रहा है एक ही स्टेटमेंट में, पॉइंट ही नहीं है. आप अगर ऐसे आएगा, एंड according to the rule also, first we solve the off part, and we know that when we use off, it is basically multiplication only, correct?
Yes, sir.
So it should be multiplication. Okay, if the answer is given be at 5 1 by 3, I'll still check with some other teacher, okay, and confirm. But according to me and what the rule says, I think 12 should be the correct answer.
Sir,
Okay,
One
sir. Thank
minute,
you.
1 minute. Abhi, Kanan, what is your doubt?
sir, I had a doubt in the 23rd question.
We have not come yet, but ठीक है, अभी 23 solve कर देता हूँ मैं आपके लिए. It is 2 by 3 divided by minus 4 by 5. So it's the same thing. 2 by 3 multiplied by 5 by minus 4. So here you will get 2 into 1, 2 into 2. So you get 5 upon 6 with minus sign. Understood, Kanan?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Akshara, what is your doubt? Akshara, what is your doubt?
Can you hear me? Sir?
हाँ बोलो अक्षरा, क्या डाउट है?
Fourth question, sir.
Please be little quick.
Fourth question, sir.
Okay, understood. I'll explain. 1/3 of a number is less than half of the same number by 10. Find the number. So let the number be x. Okay.
Okay,
1/3 of x is how much? 1 by 3x. Or you can write this
Yes,
as x by 3. This is less than half of the same number by 10. So half of x क्या आएगा? X by 2. So x by 3 plus 10 is equal to x by 2, correct? So x by 2
Yes, sir.
minus x by 3 is equal to 10. So now we take the LCM here, we get 6. 3x minus 2x is equal to 10. So we get x upon 6 is equal to 10. So x is equal to 60.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Divija, what is your doubt?
Sir, the 13th question.
आपने वो दूसरे फ्रैक्शन में 0.4 कंसिडर किया है क्या दिविजा?
Sir, no.
9/4 माइनस क्वेश्चन मार्क अपॉन 4 है, करेक्ट? इज इक्वल टू 2.
Yes, sir.
सो 2 कब आएगा? जब हमारे पास अगर डिनोमिनेटर 4 है तो 2 कब आएगा टोटल आंसर?
What, sir? I can't hear clearly.
Here it is given 2. So when we'll get 2 when the denominator is 4?
We'll get 2 when
8 by
Sir, I
4
did not
होगा तो 2
understand.
हो जाएगा ना स्टूडेंट्स?
Yes, sir.
So now 9 minus question mark is equal to 8. So what is the value of question mark?
Okay, sir. I can solve.
If you don't understand this way, what you can do is 9 by 4 minus x by 4 is equal to 2. So now solve it. So you get 4. 9 minus x is equal to 2. Take this 4 on the other side as multiplication. So you get 9 minus x is equal to 8. So 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So question mark is equal to 1.
Okay, sir.
Dhruv, what is your doubt?
Yes, sir. Sir, the 27th question.
अभी हम वहां पर आए नहीं है 27th पे.
Okay, sir.
वो अभी के होमवर्क में आएगा आपको. विहान, व्हाट इज
Okay,
योर
sir.
डाउट?
Sir, in the 23rd one, we had gotten 5 by minus 6. Sir, so in any case, if we get the minus in the denominator, we can put it in the numerator, no?
Yes, you can.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now tell me, how many of you don't know anything about decimal fractions? You don't, like, you know nothing about it. What is decimal fractions? कैसे solve करते हैं? Addition and subtraction is very easy for decimal fractions, okay? So just pay attention. What we are doing is we are starting with decimal fractions, just the explanation. Then I'll start solving one worksheet which will be sent on the group, okay? So let's take first example 47.321 plus 32.981. So जैसे आप ऐड करते हो नॉर्मल नंबर्स वैसे ही ऐड करना है. तो 47321 लिखो. Then you write 32981 and just start adding. So 1 plus 1 2, 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry over 13, 1 carry over 0, 1 carry over 8. अभी आपका आंसर है 80,302. क्वेश्चन में डेसिमल के बाद कितने डिजिट्स थे दोनों में? 3 डिजिट्स. सो आंसर में भी डेसिमल के बाद 3 डिजिट्स आएगा. तो आपका पॉइंट आ गया 80.302. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Addition subtraction is very easy, so we will not spend much time on this, okay? We'll directly go to multiplication. Now let's say you have 4.5 multiplied by 4.5. So अभी आप क्या करोगे? 45 into 45 करो. आंसर क्या आएगा? 2025. Okay. Now in the question, this is the question part. After decimal, how many digits are there? 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. तो यहां पर आ जाएगा आपका आंसर 20.25. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, अगर ये कंफ्यूजिंग लगता है तो आप क्या कर सकते हो? 4 ओके. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो व्हाट आर डेसिमल्स और यू डोंट नो एट ऑल? तो देखो, ये एक बेसिक एग्जांपल देता हूं. अभी कोई अगर हमने नंबर लिखा है 45, So here the decimal point is over here and then we write a 0. So this is 45.0. But we don't write in daily life, we don't write 45.0 or anything. So we'll just write 45. Okay, but there's an invisible decimal point over here. Now when we write 45 divided by 10, so this number is not completely divisible by 10. So how we divide it? 45 upon 10 लिखो. Okay. अभी डिनोमिनेटर में कितने जीरोस है? 1 0. Yes or no? तो आप क्या करोगे?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पर जो डेसिमल पॉइंट है 45 के आगे आप एक प्लेस पीछे लेके जाओगे, तो आपका आंसर हो जाएगा 4.5.
4.5.
So now let's say you have 45 divided by 100. Now what you will do, you will go 2 places behind. So your answer will become 0.45. Is this clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
So जितने भी जीरोस है उतने प्लेसेस आपको पीछे जाना है. So 10 अगर है तो 1 प्लेस बिहाइंड. ओके. अगर 100 है तो आप क्या करोगे? 2 प्लेसेस. 1000 है तो 3 places and so on. So it just depends upon the number of zeros. Okay. Now in multiplication of decimals with 10. So 4.5 into 10 अगर करना है तो कितना जीरो है? 1 0 है. So just go 1 place ahead. So your final answer will become 45. If the question is given 0.049 multiplied by 100. So there are 2 zeros. So you'll go 2 places ahead. So it becomes 0.049 के आगे 2 places मतलब 1 and 2. So your final answer will become 4.9. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
किसी को ये कंसेप्ट में डाउट है?
No, sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड. तो ये हो गया. अभी हम करेंगे डेसिमल बाय डेसिमल मल्टीप्लिकेशन. So 4.5 into 4.5 we got the answer as 20.25. Now let's say you have confusion in multiplication of these numbers. So what you will do? You can write 4.5 as 45 upon 10. And this 4.5 as same 45 by 10. Correct, students? Now can you multiply? We converted this decimal to fractions. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
अभी 45 into
Yes, sir.
45 आपको पता है it is 2025. 10 into 10 आपको पता है 100. अभी आपको डिवीजन आता है तो आंसर क्या हो गया आपका? 20.25. समझ में आया?
Sir,
Is-
can I just note it down for a second?
Yeah, note it down.
Sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Sir, but this, sir, is only for one digit. No,
नहीं,
sir,
नहीं,
but
I'll
there's
explain,
only
I'll
one
explain.
digit after the decimal.
I'll explain, just wait for some time. Samyak, what is your doubt?
सर वो आप पहले वाला मल्टीप्लिकेशन का मेथड एक और बार एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हो?
Which this slide?
हाँ सर ये वाला.
Okay.
हाँ.
Which one? This one you are saying?
No.
Then
Yeah, this one.
so I've done the same thing over here. Abhi let's take another example. Okay. So 2.1 multiplied by 2.1. ये square numbers है इसलिए मैं आपको पहले easy examples दे रहा हूँ, ठीक है? So here what you do, you write 21 into 21. What you will get as the answer? 441. Now count after decimal how many places are there. Here you have 1 place, here you have 1 place. So finally आपके आंसर में डेसिमल पॉइंट के बाद 2 डिजिट्स चाहिए. समझ में आया? So आपका आंसर क्या आएगा? 4.41. Okay. It is same thing. What we are doing over here. यहाँ पर जस्ट मैंने फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट किया है. यहाँ पर भी वही कर रहे हैं हम. अभी लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. 2.4 multiplied by 3.58. ओके. तो अभी आप पहले क्या कर सकते हो, इसको आप लिखो 358 into 24 कर दो. ओके. whatever answer you get, you note it down. Okay. And then after decimal points, how many digits are over here? Here 1 and here 2. So total digits कितने हो गए डेसिमल के बाद? 3 digits. समझ में आया? तो लेफ्ट से आप काउंट करोगे, 3 डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट डालोगे। अभी मुझे बताओ 358 इंटू 24 कितना होता है? इट इज 8592. So where will a decimal point come between 8 and 5? So your answer is 8.592. Understood? Understood, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now when we write numbers, so does this make any sense? 0, 4 is same as 4, correct? Or 0, 1, 1. This number is what? 11. So in decimals also, if we write 4.62, इसके आगे आप कितने भी zeros लगाओ, infinite zeros, okay? 1, 2 से लेके infinite, इसका वैल्यू 4.62 ही रहेगा, okay? But if you have 4.062 and then also you put zeros, unlimited zeros, यहाँ पर same रहेगा. But here you cannot put zeros. So this 4.0062 and 4.062 both are different, okay? ये समझ में आया आपको students? So towards the left you cannot put
Yes,
any
sir.
zeros. Towards the right you can put any number of zeros. Has everyone understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
After decimals, okay, let's say here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So now if we find the place value, so ये जो 1 है इसका place value हो जाएगा 1/10. Okay. 2 जो है इसका place value हो जाएगा 2/100. 3 का place value हो जाएगा 3/1000. And 4 का place value हो जाएगा this 4, okay? This one, 4/10,000. Is this clear? So there's no units place. Directly 10 से start हो रहा है. 10, 100, 1000 and 10,000 and so on. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So now tell me 4.12 is
Yes.
greater or 4.012 is greater?
4.1.
Sir, 4.12. 4.12.
4.14 is greater or, sorry, 4.104.
4.1.
This one is greater, okay? Because if we want to compare each time, so just put a 0 over here. The value doesn't change. So it is 4.140. Here it is 4.104. So of course 140 is greater. So this value is greater. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Abhi, let's say it is 0.45 divided by 9. Okay. So just write it in fractions form. So you'll write 0.45 upon 9. Now we know how to remove decimal places. यहाँ पर डेसिमल के बाद कितने डिजिट से? 2 डिजिट है. तो अगर हम इसको 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर, व्हाट विल गेट? 45 upon
900.
Now you know how to do it easily. So 9 into 5, 9 into 100, correct? So what is your answer? 0.
0.05.
Understood,
1
everyone?
upon
How to divide? We'll take 2, 3 examples, okay?
सर कैन यू आप वो स्लाइड वापस दिखा सकते हैं, मुझे उसको नोट करना है। सर वो और रिड्यूस नहीं हो सकता? 5 1 520।
हाँ, तो फिर आपको इसके बाद मिलेगा 1/20. अभी डेसिमल में आंसर चाहिए तो आप कैसे लाओगे? फिर 1 को 20 से डिवाइड करोगे
तो
तो
1 को 20 से डिवाइड करना
हाँ, but
पड़ेगा।
it will be a long process, right? To again divide and find the answer. Instead, when we know from where we can easily get decimals, okay? So वहां
Yes,
पर ही
sir.
आप फिनिश कर दो ना आंसर.
ओके सर।
घर की क्या डाउट है आपको?
Sir, we can also directly divide, right?
You
9
can
was a
directly
9.
divide. So now this one is easier example, so आप direct divide कर सकते हो. अभी next example मैं जो दे रहा हूँ टेक्स्ट बुक का, वो है 0.0203 multiplied by 2.92 upon 0.0073 multiplied by 14.5 multiplied by 0.7. गर्गी अभी भी आपको कुछ डाउट है?
No, sir.
ओके अभी देखो यहाँ पर डिवाइड करना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. ओके सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इज जस्ट काउंट द नंबर ऑफ डेसिमल प्लेसेस, मतलब digits after decimal places in the numerator. So here we have 4 digits and here we have 2 digits. So total कितना हो गया? 6 digits. करेक्ट. डिनोमिनेटर में काउंट करो. यहाँ पर है 4 digits, यहाँ पर है 1 digit और यहाँ पर है 1 digit. टोटल कितना हो गया? 6. करेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
Now when the number of digits after decimal place is equal in numerator and denominator, you can directly remove all the decimal places. So it will become 203 multiplied by 292 upon 73 into 145 into 7. इसमें किसको डाउट है?
Sir, if they were not equal, then this
हाँ.
could not be happen.
नहीं, then also we'll do this same thing. Okay. अभी let's say
Okay.
now we have let's say 0.45 multiplied by 0.23 upon 0.4 multiplied by 0.06. We don't need the answer, okay? I'm just giving for explanation. Here we have 2, here we have 2, which is 4. यहाँ पर है 1, यहाँ पर है 2, टोटल है 3. अभी आप क्या करोगे? न्यूमरेटर में लिखोगे 45 into 23. Okay, you will write 4 into 6 into 10. कितना डिफरेंस है? 1 डेसिमल का डिफरेंस है ना, 1 डिजिट का, तो 10 से
Yes.
मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. अगर 2 का डिफरेंस होता तो 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. We'll come to such questions, okay? When it is same, directly remove it. No need to do all these things. When it is not same, when we solve the problems, we'll come to it, okay? अभी यहाँ पर आपको fractions मिल गए तो आपको बस reduce करना है, okay? So when you reduce this, is this number divisible by 7? Just check. Yes, it is divisible. 7 into 1, 7 into 2 is 14,
29.
29. 29 into 1, 29 into 5. 73 into 1, 73 into 4. So your final answer is 4 by 5. अभी 4 by 5 को अगर आपको decimals में convert करना है, so either you divide it, okay? So you'll get the answer as 0.8. If you don't know division of decimal numbers on when the numerator is smaller, so what you will do is you will convert the denominator. अभी मुझे बताओ, यहाँ पर हमें कन्वर्ट करने को, इसको हमें अगर डिनोमिनेटर को 100 बनाना है या 10 बनाना है तो क्या करेंगे? If you want to make this
20
denominator
multiply.
multiply by 2.
Into 20.
Who is this Anshuman? So 4 into 2, 8. 5 into 2, 10. Now you know how to divide by 10. So you get the answer as 0.8. Arnav, what is your doubt?
Sir, my doubt is not related to this topic, but when you cut that 73 and 292, how can you find that 292 is divisible by 4? It's 73 into 4 so fast.
ये तो मेरे पास सोल्यूशन है ना. अगर एग्जाम में नहीं है आपके पास सोल्यूशन तो आपको डिवाइड करके चेक करना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा.
I have it in front of me.
Divisibility test.
Divisibility test आप यूज नहीं कर पाओगे because 73 I think is a prime number, right?
Not for that, but for other numbers. Not
So
for
for
that.
other numbers you will divide it divisibility से. अभी देखो.
No, sir.
Listen Arnav, listen to me. Basically you need to divide over here. जैसे मैंने 203 को 7 से डिवाइड किया था, तो वैसे आपको 73 को 292 को चेक करना पड़ेगा 73 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं. ओके, देयर इज नो अदर शॉर्टकट ओवर हियर व्हिच वी कैन यूज टू डिवाइड. So that you will have to do it. Here we have the answer in front of us. That's why I did it so quickly. Otherwise आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा कि 292 73 से डिविजिबल है या नहीं. ओके.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Is this clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ
Yes, sir.
अर्नव, अभी भी कुछ डाउट है आपको तो आप पूछ सकते हो.
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
क्लियर एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
अभी न्यूमरेटर में कितने प्लेसेस है? 1 2 3 एंड 4. डिनोमिनेटर में 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. तो यहाँ पर है 4 प्लेसेस, यहाँ पर है 6 प्लेसेस. इक्वल करने को क्या करेंगे हम? न्यूमरेटर में 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. समझ में आया? सो विल राइट 72 इंटू 72 इंटू 68 इंटू 32 अपॉन 17 इंटू 36 इंटू 32 इंटू 6 इंटू 6. करेक्ट. एंड यहाँ पर लिखेंगे इंटू 100. इज इट क्लियर एवरीवन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
17 into 1, 17 into 4, 32 and 32 cancel. 6 into 6, 36. 36 into 2, 36 into 1, 36 into 2. So what you are left with? 2 into 2 into 4 into 100. तो आंसर क्या आएगा आपका? 16 into 100.
800.
16 into 100 आएगा स्टूडेंट्स, which is 1600. Understood?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
हाँ बोलो, क्या डाउट है?
Sir, how did you wrote that 4 into 100?
Because we have 100 over here. From here I said ना, यहाँ पर 4 डिजिट से डेसिमल के बाद यहाँ पर 6 है, तो इक्विवेलेंट करने के लिए हमने 2 जीरो से मल्टीप्लाई किया.
Okay, sir. Because of 2 digits, that is 4 and 6, we do into 100.
देखो स्टूडेंट्स, the logic behind this is, now pay attention. Here you have 0.046 divided by 0.02. अभी यहाँ से अगर डेसिमल प्लेसेस हटाना है, हमें डेसिमल पॉइंट हटाना है, तो किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे?
1000, sir.
यहाँ पर डेसिमल हटाना है तो किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 100.
1000.
इज इट इक्वल? अभी इक्वल नहीं हो रहा है क्योंकि आप इसको
No,
10 से
sir.
मल्टीप्लाई करके चेंज कर रहे हो, तो यहाँ पर और एक 0 ऐड कर देंगे. तो अभी क्लियर हो गया? तो आंसर क्या आएगा?
Yes, sir.
46 अपॉन 20. करेक्ट.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
तो यर वाई वी गॉट 10 बिकॉज यहाँ पर डेसिमल क्या 3 डिजिट है, यहाँ पर है 2 डिजिट, तो एक का डिफरेंस है तो डिनोमिनेटर में. अभी यहाँ पर हमारे पास था 4 डिजिट्स आफ्टर डेसिमल, हियर वी हैड 6. So the difference is 2, and where it is smaller in the numerator, so we multiplied by 100.
Okay, sir.
Friends, please take a screenshot of this. The meeting is going to end in 1 minute. तो जिनको भी नोट डाउन करना है या स्क्रीनशॉट लेना है, प्लीज टेक इट क्विकली.
Sir, we have to rejoin, right?
यस. Done, students?